descending into mystery, dark matter, and the esoteric descent of the soul, the hidden womb of the cosmos. What if the darkness we see, or fail to see, in the universe is not absence, but initiation? In both astrophysics and esoteric traditions, there exists an archetypal descent, a fall from spirit into matter, a cloaking of light by dark. Dark matter, the invisible glue of galaxies, becomes a metaphysical mirror of the soul's descent into the density of incarnation. But could this descent be a misunderstood ritual, a coded journey meant to awaken something ancient within us? Here's a cosmic contradiction worth unraveling. Why does that which shapes everything remain hidden? The V of descent. Geometry of the soul's journey. The Esoteric 5, a symbol beyond shape. In esoteric teachings, the V is not merely a character, but a sacred diagram. It symbolizes the soul's descent from divine unity into multiplicity. The left arm of the V charts involution, spirit descending into successively denser states. The vertex is incarnation, the lowest point. The right arm is evolution, the path back to source. Could this V also be a dimensional gate? A vibratory signature of descent encoded in our very being? Biblical echoes, Adam, Eve, and the Black Land. The book of Genesis speaks of a fall, but what if it is not a fall from grace, but a descent into grace and becoming? According to esoteric readings, Eden is the pre-incarnate state. The expulsion is not punishment, but participation in the mystery of matter. Eve becomes the soul, the matrix of receptivity, entering the Black Land, the symbolic Egypt of density and form. What secrets still lie buried in the sands of this Black Land, waiting for us to decode them? The hidden initiation in Jeffrey Hodson's esoteric interpretation of Genesis, the fall is actually the first initiation. The soul must taste density to awaken its divine faculties. This descent parallels the gravitational role of dark matter. It is unseen, yet shapes galaxies and cosmic evolution. But here's the lingering riddle. What awakens in the soul that passes through darkness untouched? Black matter, dark matter, the occult symmetry, scientific paradox, presence without perception. Astrophysics identifies dark matter as the invisible substance that constitutes 27% of the universe. It cannot be seen, touched, or directly measured, yet its gravitational fingerprints are everywhere. It shapes galaxies. It influences cosmic expansion. It bends light. Is it possible dark matter is the cosmic memory of a realm forgotten? Esoteric paradox, absence that is full. In mystical thought, black is not evil, it is potential. The Kabbalists refer to the Ein Sof, the dark radiance beyond knowing. The ancient Egyptians saw the Black Land as Kemet, the fertile womb. In Taoist cosmology, the Tao is born from darkness. Thus, dark matter, as the hidden scaffolding of the universe, reflects the mystical substance of becoming what if. What we've feared as void has always been our initiatory teacher. The Vav of Yep, the creative thread in Hebrew mysticism, the divine name Yev includes the letter Vav, which signifies connection and descent. Vav bridges higher and lower. It is the descent of spirit into form, the same descent mirrored in both the soul's journey and dark matter's invisible influence 9.PDF plus L71, L77. Could the Vav be the lost chord, the vibrational descent that holds all creation together? The multiverse of souls. Dark matter as dimensional gateway. Fourth dimensional matter. According to emerging cosmologies, dark matter may reside in higher dimensional space. It passes through our 3D universe gravitationally, yet remains hidden. Similarly, esoteric traditions hold that the soul descends from higher dimensions, what the Egyptians called the duat, or Theosophy calls the causal plane. Might dark matter be the cosmic residue of souls traveling from plane to plane? Black holes in the womb of Maat. Black holes are considered singularities, yet from an esoteric lens they may be wombs, places where light is held and reborn. The Egyptian goddess Maat, who governs cosmic order, weighs the soul in the afterlife. The scales of Maat are not merely judgment, they are recalibration. Dark matter like Maat calibrates cosmic order invisibly. Is the black hole the sacred doorway between descent and resurrection? The soul is observer, participant, and light-bringer. Just as dark matter cannot be seen directly, neither can the soul, yet both are essential to cosmic and personal order. The soul incarnates to awaken consciousness in matter. Dark matter facilitates the structure through which form exists. One is mythic, the other measurable, but both are unknowable in essence. How do we become conscious participants in this unseen architecture? Initiatory descent, from mysticism to mechanics. The fall is ritual, not rebellion. The descent into matter is described in many traditions as a fall, but esoterically it is a ritual. It is the passing through veils. Each lower plane strips away clarity, only to forge resilience. Like a seed buried in soil, the soul must forget to remember anew. What if every spiritual forgetting is secretly a rehearsal for remembrance? Alchemical resonance, Negredo and the void. In alchemy, Negredo is the blackening, the first stage of transmutation. It is dissolution, despair, and density. It is the dark matter of inner work. Only through this void can light be born. The descent is not only cosmic, it is psychic. The soul undergoes it in meditation, trauma, and transformation. Could the void be a necessary mirror, one that reveals what light alone cannot? Modern science echoes. Ancient metaphor quantum physics speaks of fields, not particles. The Higgs field, vacuum energy, and zero-point fluctuations echo what mystics have long held. The void is full. The dark is radiant. Dark matter may be the scientific metaphor for the spiritual descent. What other spiritual truths are encoded in scientific paradox? The V rising, from mystery to majesty. What if the soul's journey into matter is not a tragedy, but a trajectory? The dark matter of the universe and the black matter of mysticism converge in one grand narrative, initiation. The V is the shape of descent and return. In its vertex, the soul touches density. In its rising arms, it ascends back into light. Dark matter becomes more than cosmological, it becomes cosmopoetic. And if this is true, then the universe is not merely expanding, it is awakening. Will you rise from your own V of descent, your moment of shadow, and bring light where it had not yet reached? Or is this darkness still holding a secret you're meant to decipher?